Wondering how many crows there are out there making all those calling sounds. I haven't heard the mystery bird this morning. I don't know where he went. I'm still waiting to see if he hasn't woke up yet or something, but usually he's up by now. And it's not a warble. I still don't know what to call the sound he makes. Maybe I'll discover a new bird if I ever figure out what to call that sound. But he's not doing it this morning, so I can't even describe it at the moment. I have no idea what to call it, but definitely know that what sound the crows make because they're really loud and annoying. Well, they shut up now. They must have heard me say that. Nope, never mind. There they go again. I'm still going to have to research the difference between crows and ravens because I did it once before and they're very interesting birds, but I know the raven is more interesting just after I've read about it and everything. That's one of the things I forgot about though, because there's only so much my memory banks can hold in my brain that I can actually bring to the surface when needed. Niacin helps that though. I read that niacin helps it, so I started taking niacin and beta carotene too, which also helps memory. And rosemary, of course. I need to plant some more rosemary, and I love the smell of it. I might buy some essential oil because I do like the smell of rosemary. It's awesome, and it supposedly helps your memory to recall more. It's one of the things you have to worry about when you approaching age 50 is memory, because it's all downhill from there. But yeah, if you can overcome that, and that's one of the main hurdles, that and maintaining a good fitness plan or whatever, and good nutrition, then you could live to be 100 and be healthy. As long as you get those 3 things under control. And emotional issues, of course. But staying close to God helps that a lot. And so does vitamin B6 and B12 and vitamin D. And exercise, of course. Which my dog takes care of for me. Because he always wants to go for a walk every day. Or a run. But he's too lazy to run sometimes. So am I. So we're a perfect pair. Anyway, tired of listening to the birds.